Hello and welcome back to my channel, Munch Rater. Well, as you can guess, I've ordered myself a munch and I'm going to try it. I ordered a mixed kebab with chicken and doner meat and steak, but I said I'll kind of have it without the steak because I'm not a big fan of steak on kebabs. It's just not for me. A large chips and a big bottle of Coke from a takeaway called Moonlight in Longton in Stoke-on-Trent. And I use that one a lot. It's really nice. I love it. The pizzas from there are... So I'll show you what I ordered. I ordered some chips. Please excuse the salt. It went everywhere. I ate some. That's why the portion looks small. Right. Let's open the kebab. It's just I think it's a small kebab. It's not a big one. In a pitta. My gosh. Looks a bit greasy, doesn't it? Oh my god, it's swimming with mayo. It's very saucy. So, chicken. Ooh, the chicken looks nice. Ooh, look at that. The chicken looks delicious. That's the doner meat. It's swimming in sauce. It does look nice. Let's taste a bit of doner meat. Nice. Right, so if you just hang on, I'll make it look a bit more presentable. And what I'll do is I'm going to put a few chips in it because I love putting chips in my kebab. And then I'll take a bite and let you know what I think because I've never ordered a mixed kebab like this before. I normally just have just a doner kebab. Alright, so it's a 4-star food hygiene rating. This takeaway is. It is nice. I've arranged it. I've put chips on it. I've just moved the doner meat and the chicken just to make it even. Some chicken fell out. I put some more sauce on because I ordered a pot. Bottle of Pepsi. It's just a bit... Everything's falling all over the place, but I'm going to eat it, take a bite, and I'll let you know. Right, here I am. Excuse me, it's not very clear. Here it is. I'm going to eat it now. Let's see. If I can get my mouth around it. It's so big. Excuse my triple chin. No, it doesn't look good. It's too many kebabs. See if I can move you there. Might be better. Right. So, 2 bites. Tasted absolutely lovely. Really nice. Delicious. Really good. Really good. Considering it's all falling all over the place. So, yeah. Things are falling out of it because it can't hold it. The pita bread can't hold what's in here, like the heavy chicken. With some chips. Really nice. The chicken is cooked to perfection. Grilled. Doner meat's cooked to perfection. Really tasty doner meat. Not too thick, not too thin. The chips are lovely, nice. Chip, fresh. The garlic mayo is the best garlic mayo I've ever tried from this kebab house. Seriously. Pizza's nice, but unfortunately it's collapsed. My rate out of 10 for this, I'd probably give it a... I'm going to say a 9 because the pita has just collapsed. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to get back to eating this. And I'll see you in the next munch review. Bye.